as if this story couldn't get any stranger, the guy who set off that false missile alert in Hawaii last month and launched a panic is now telling his side of the story, and he says he was 100% sure this wasn't just a test. He believed what was happening was real. According to the official account, the call that initiated the drill began with the person saying exercise, exercise, but the worker says he didn't hear those very important words.
I was eating a bowl of ramen noodles, not just a regular bowl, but just a really, 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 really big bowl of ramen noodles. And I got the phone call, and they said that a bomb was coming. And I was like, can I finish my ramen noodles? And they were like, no, hit the button. And I hit the button, and all the alarms went off, and everybody got scared. But I ate my ramen noodles.
Now, according to his lawyer, he is considering a defamation lawsuit against the state for making false statements about what led to the incident. By the way, he no longer has a job. Okay, to Minneapolis now. It is rolled out.